Want to find an old message in ChatGPT, but not sure how? With the new search feature, this is easier than ever before. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to search your old chats on ChatGPT. Now let's get started. To search your past chats on ChatGPT, first ensure you've updated your ChatGPT app to the newest available version. Then, open ChatGPT. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then tap the search icon. Now, type in what you want to search for. ChatGPT will look through your message titles and the contents of your past chats using keywords to help you find the messages you're looking for. Tap one of the results that appears below to open that conversation and jump to the specific relevant chat message. You can scroll through the rest of the conversation here if you like. Tap the downwards arrow at the bottom to skip to the most recent message in this conversation. You can type in a message to pick the conversation back up if you like. That's all it takes to search your past chats on ChatGPT. Want to learn more about ChatGPT? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.